HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to enter the project menu on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your phone's dialer, and let's use this secret code *## 284657 *##. As you can see, project menu just pops up, so here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here background settings. You can, for example, tap background debug and make it open. You can change USB port settings, and you can switch it into the Google mode, for example, or you can use AP log settings. Tap close. Let's go back. You can also choose venue information, and here you can read the version info. The device is processing data. Here you've got bootloader version, parameter version, other stuff. You can also see manufacturer info right here, or you can see other info. That's it. Let's go back. You can also check out network information query. Here you've got two important things, for example, symlog key info. In my case, symlog is deactive, and vendor country info. This is the Europe version. Let's go back. You can also accomplish software upgrade by using your memory card. You can accomplish the hard reset by using restore factory, but let's just be careful of that option because you will lose all your data. And you can also tap battery charge and check battery level and battery temperature. So that's it, everything went well. If you would like to go back, let's use a back key, and now you may use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.